Hello guys, today we are going to have some granola. You will love this recipe. It's very tasty, very healthy, and so give it a try. Okay, if you are trying to lose weight once in a while, you need granola to snack on. So I'm going to share my granola recipe with you. Look at it. It contains everything. So very simple, very delicious, and very healthy. And so we are going to go straight into the recipe, but before then, do well to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like and share this video, click on the bell icon and leave a comment. So I have my grated coconut here, and we are going to dry this. If you have enough sun, dry it in the sun, but I'm going to use my oven to do this drying. So I'll spread it very well in my baking sheets and put it in the oven. Set it very low, and you need to give it maximum attention. We are going to add bananas to this how do you call it, granola. And so I have my parchment paper lined in my baking sheets, and I'm going to chop or slice or cut the bananas very small. Yours, when you are doing it, make sure you slice them very flat. Mine was not that flat, so that it can dry very quick for you. We are going to dry it. We are going to take it to the oven and use it to dry it. Yes, to make it like banana chips. Do you get it? That's what you're going to do. You can omit this part, but this was very delicious. You will love it. Okay, and so whilst you are doing this, you have to be checking on your coconut and then be stirring it so that it doesn't get burnt. Do you get it? And so after doing all of that, you see, I'll take it to the oven and let it dry. So this is our coconut ready. You see, you have to give it maximum attention. If not, it will burn within some few minutes or within the short possible notice. So my banana too, you see, some have dried. So I'll take all the ones that have dried very well, and the ones that are still fresh inside, I will take it to the oven again, and then I'm going to, so this is the dried ones, you see. Make sure it doesn't burn, because if it burns, it becomes bitter. I'm taking this to the oven again. Okay, so we are going to make use of oats. This is normal oats or ordinary oats. Do you get it? I'm using 3 cups, and this is our dried grated coconut. We are going to make use of chia seed and sesame seeds, and we're also going to make use of almond nuts and pumpkin seeds. We're going to make use of peanuts or granuts, and then our almighty dried banana. Yes, our banana chips. And we're also going to make uses of raisins. So the first thing I'm going to do is to toast the oats first. As I said, this ordinary oats. You can make use of organic oats. Do you get it? But this is our usual everyday oats. And I'm going to chop my seeds and nuts, specifically the almond nuts and the pumpkin seeds. I'm going to chop them into smaller pieces. Yes, please like this video for me, share and leave a comment as well for me. Yes, okay, so that is it. And what we are going to do, we are also going to check on our oats and see if it's ready, it has toasted well enough. Then we'll take it off fire. So the oats, as you can see, it has toasted very well. You see, all the flavors are coming out here and there. So you see, and so this, I'll pour it, set it aside, and then we are going to also toast the seeds and the nuts as well. Please like and share this video for me, leave a comment also. Okay, so we are toasting our seeds and nuts. Okay, and we are going to add the sesame seeds and also the chia seeds to it, and then toast it for some few minutes, and then we'll take it off fire. Do you get it? So as you can see, the smoke is coming out, meaning it's ready. So I just poured that, and this is our mixing bowl. We are going to add our oats, and then we are going to add our seeds and nuts. We are also going to mix it, and then we'll add the peanut to it. I didn't toast the peanut because the peanut was already roasted. Yes. And we are adding our grated coconut also, and also our banana chips, and then we'll mix everything. The way I'm so happy about this recipe, So this is it. You see, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a half cup of coconut oil. This is half cup of coconut oil to it. You can use olive oil, and half cup of honey. Yes, because you are trying to be healthy, a bit healthy, we are using honey. But you can make use of your sugar, brown sugar or white sugar. I'm going to use flavor. This is strawberry. You can use any flavor of your choice, but I love the strawberry flavor. I love it. Yes, I've tried the vanilla before, but when I compare it to the strawberry flavor, I love it. But you can use any flavor of your choice. So mix it very well. I could have baked it in this, but I felt no, it's too tight in it. So I'm going to bring my baking sheets or baking pan out, line it with a parchment paper, and then I'm going to spread everything in it, and then add salt to taste, just a little, not too much. Okay, so mix everything together and then spread it very well, and I'll take it to the oven and then bake it. But with this, you have to be giving it attention and then be stirring. So this is it. I'm done baking it, and the next thing you're going to do is to add our raisins to it. You think I've forgotten about it? Then no. And so because I don't want the raisins to be bitter, that is why I did not add it to it and bake. Do you get it? So mixing everything, and this is it. You see everything is perfectly baked. Yes, so this is our granola special. You see, looking all beautiful. You see, this is nice. So what you have to do is let it cool very well, and then you can package it. So we are going to package it now. I have my storage bowl. I'm going to package it, and when you package it, you can leave it on your countertop, or you can leave it or store it in your refrigerator. I prefer refrigerator because it makes it more crispy. Do you get it? Not a freezer. Yes, refrigerator. So this is it, and I got a smaller one. Also, how much will you sell this? Let me know in the comment section. And so yes, this is our granola. It's good for you while you are trying to lose weight, but don't be snacking on it too much. Every amount counts. Do you get it? And so if you are trying to lose weight and you want to do low carb, it's good, but don't chew it too much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.